This is the police. Pull over. Officer Brooklyn T guy. Jeffy. I'm so glad you came. Just pull over and we'll talk. I'm not here to pull over. We're just saving someone. Saving someone? Yes. Have you heard? Mr. Goodman just broke out of jail. What? I thought he was in bars. Well, he broke out of jail. He's in the Lamborghini now chasing Woohoo and Butters. Okay, this sounds serious. Yeah, very serious. Alright, kid. We're gonna chase that Lamborghini down and we're gonna stop that Lamborghini at once. And we better save Woohoo and Butters at once. Alright. Now, can you just cut right in front of that Lamborghini? I'm not sure, but we'll try. Cause be careful. Cause that Lamborghini just swore right in front of Woohoo and Butters. And they're sounding danger. Alright. We'll see what we can do. Come on. Alright guys, I told the cop what's going on. Great work, Rory. Alright. We need to find some way to stop that Lamborghini. But what? Hey, what's going on in front of there? Why are we in a car chase? Dude, DJ, you was sleeping and you see it was because gaming getaway truck and Woohoo and Butters are in danger because they was been chased by a Lamborghini. It's Mr. Goodman. I thought he was in jail. I thought he was too. But once we saw that Lamborghini, it was Mr. Goodman. And they are in danger. And we gotta stop that Lamborghini. And the police are handling it. And then they're gonna stop that Lamborghini and see what they could do. Yeah, I hope he goes back to jail again. I hope so too. Yeah, can you find something that could stop the Lamborghini? I don't know. I'll see what I could do. Thanks, DJ. Alright. Let's go stop that Lamborghini at once. And Goodman is so going to juvie. Yes, he will be, Duncan. Yes, he will be.